So it's the new year. We wanted to eat something that's not going to make us feel bloated. And we decided to make chicken Caesar salad wraps. You need chicken, you need some eggs, you need some wraps, you need some lettuce, and all those things. So I was having like the hardest time boiling eggs. And I bought this little steamer, and you just put a little bit of water down. And you can put your eggs in, and it will steam them. So I'm going to turn this on, put my lid on, and that will cook itself. And you don't have to worry about the eggs. Check. So my chicken, I've been letting this chill in some honey mustard. I got some black pepper, some salt, some Chicago seasoning, and some honey pub rub. Chicken. Done. So what we have here is a big old bucket of ice water. So when your eggs are done, you just lift them up, you take them, and you drop them in ice water. And you let them sit for 10 more minutes. Key. Okay? I'm a professional, and I made boiled eggs one time before. So, and this thing is amazing. If you want, I can link it in my description below so you can find it. Yeah. Pour my lettuce on into the bowl. Just like that. It comes with croutons, and it also comes with some seasoning and bacon and some Parmesan. Bacon. Croutons. Caesar. Parm. I'm going to toss the salad, get it mixed in a little bit. I got some burrito right here, and I'm going to take one, I'm going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds and get it ready. Burrito wrap. My chicken. And there is some chicken mixed in with the salad as well. And this thing is great, y'all, because up top it has a little poker, and it's so easy. I can just pull these shells right off the egg, no issues at all. It's like one of those great $10 buys that you actually use. I'm going to take my salad. Start layering. Drop it on down. Got some chicken. Some of that delicious salad. Look at that. Plain, simple, easy, delicious salad. Oh, yeah. 10 out of 10. Simple and delicious. Easy, y'all. Grilled chicken, salad, in a taco, or a wrap. However you want to call it. You can get little protein wraps or the all the other kind of wraps I have. Do ranch. You can do whatever you want. I love you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one.